guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Humble Sage Food. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how to prepare chicken sauce. This chicken sauce is one of my husband's favorite sauce. Any day I need money, this is the kind of sauce I always cook for him. All you need to do is just follow me as I start the preparation. These are the ingredients I'm using to prepare this my yummy chicken sauce. As you can see, look at how all of them are displayed here. I've already washed and scraped the back of this carrot. Look at how I'm cutting it. This is my red, yellow and green pepper. It has been washed. I've already removed the inside. This is how I'm cutting my pepper. You can get them from the supermarket, from ShopRite, or even from the market. It's very affordable. This is my Tatashi and Shombo. This is how I'm cutting it. Look at how I'm cutting my onions. Here is the spring onions. Look at how tiny I'm cutting it. I've already washed before cutting it. I've already washed my chicken. Watch me as I marinate it. Adding my grounded pepper, my onions, my chopped onions. Adding my maggi, my ginger and garlic mixed together. Humble sage thyme, humble sage mixed spice, humble sage curry powder, salt to taste. Mix all ingredients together and leave it for 10 minutes so that the ingredients will enter inside the chicken. You can marinate yours 1 hour or thereabout depending on the time you have. It's on fire now, so I didn't add water, and I will cook it with the water from the chicken like 5 minutes before adding water to it. I'm putting my water. I will stir it very well and allow the chicken to cook until it is soft. My chicken is soft already. I'm adding my carrot first because carrot is hard and I want it to be soft a little before adding other vegetables. I'm adding my onions and other vegetables alongside with it. I'll add my curry, my maggi and pepper and mix it together. I'm mixing my corn flour with water. I'll mix it very well and pour it inside my sauce. It is for the thickening of my sauce. Don't pour it too much so that it will not be too thick. Our sauce is ready. All the ingredients we use to cook this sauce is in our description box. If today is your first time of watching our video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you on our next video.